Do you ever stop in the middle of an English sentence and think, wait, is it I am, I do, I have, or I will? If that sounds like you, don't worry. Today, we're going to make helping verbs simple, easy, and useful for real conversations.
And the best part? By the end of this episode, you'll sound more natural, more confident, and you'll finally understand why native speakers use helping verbs all the time.
Welcome to English Speaking Zone.
I'm Lila.
And I'm Mark.
We're so happy you're here.
Grab a coffee, relax, and let's improve your English together.
Let's get started.
Lila, can I tell you a funny story?
Of course.
A few years ago, I was talking with an English learner. He wanted to say, I am like pizza.
That sounds okay.
Wait for it. Then he said, I am eat pizza every day.
Ah.
Exactly. He knew many words. He knew he knew eat, he knew pizza, but he didn't know which helping verb to use.
That's actually very common. Many learners know vocabulary, but helping verbs cause confusion.
Yes, and the interesting thing is that helping verbs are everywhere, in almost every English conversation.
If you learn helping verbs, your English becomes smoother, more natural, and easier to understand.
So today, we're going to learn them the easy way. No difficult grammar, no boring textbook language, just real English.
Let's start with a simple question. What is a helping verb?
A helping verb is exactly what its name says. It helps another verb.
Think of it like a teammate. The main verb does the main job. The helping verb supports it.
Listen to this. I work. The main verb is work.
Now listen. I am working. The helping verb is am. The main verb is working.
One more. I have finished. The helping verb is have. The main verb is finished.
See? Not scary at all.
Now let's learn the most common helping verbs people use every day.
The first group is am, is, are, was, were.
These are forms of the verb be.
You'll hear them everywhere.
Examples. I am happy. She is busy. They are ready.
Past tense examples. I was tired. They were late.
Let's make this practical. Imagine you're talking to a coworker.
How are you today?
I'm fine. I am a little busy.
See? Natural conversation.
Now imagine talking to a friend.
Where's Sarah?
She is at home.
Simple.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
She is learning English.
She is learning English.
They are learning English.
They are learning English.
Great job.
Pause for a second. Can you make your own sentence with am, is, or are?
Say it out loud. Don't just think it. Speaking helps you learn faster.
Let's move to another very important helping verb. Do, does, did. These are everywhere in spoken English, especially in questions.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Does she drive?
Yes, she does.
Did you call him?
Yes, I did.
Notice something?
The helping verb comes before the subject in questions.
Exactly. Let's try a conversation. Do you exercise?
Yes, I do. I walk every morning.
Does your brother speak English?
A little. He does.
Did you watch a movie yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Perfect.
Now, here's a very useful phrase. I do understand.
Interesting. Why not simply say, I understand?
Because adding do gives emphasis.
Exactly. Listen,
I understand.
Now, I do understand.
The second one sounds stronger.
You'll hear native speakers use this often.
Let's continue. Another super common helping verb is have. Have, has, had. These help us talk about experiences and completed actions.
Examples. I have eaten. She has finished. They have arrived.
Let's make it conversational. Have you ever visited another country?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I have. Many times.
Notice how useful this pattern is. Have you ever...
You can use it in so many conversations. Have you ever gone camping? Have you ever met a celebrity? Have you ever ridden a horse?
Try answering one. Have you ever spoken English with a stranger?
Pause and answer.
Great. Even if your answer is short, that's practice.
Now let's talk about helping verbs that show the future.
The king of future English. Will.
I love this one because it's easy.
Examples. I will call you. She will come later. We'll see.
You'll hear contractions all the time. I'll call you. She'll come later. We'll see.
Native speakers love contractions.
Because they're faster and more natural.
Let's practice. I will learn English.
I'll learn English.
We will improve.
We'll improve.
You will succeed.
You'll succeed.
Excellent.
And speaking of success, let's talk about another group. Can, could,
These are helping verbs too.
and people use them constantly.
Can shows ability. I can swim.
I can cook.
I can speak English.
Could is often more polite.
Could you help me?
Could you repeat that?
Could you speak more slowly?
Those 3 sentences are incredibly useful.
Especially for English learners.
If someone speaks too fast, don't panic. Just say, could you speak more slowly?
Simple and polite.
Let's do a quick challenge. Finish these sentences. I can... Maybe,
Maybe I can drive.
or I can dance.
Next one. Could you?
Could you help me?
Great job.
Let's learn another important pair. Should, must.
These help us give advice or talk about necessity.
Examples. You should drink more water.
You should practice English daily.
You should get enough sleep.
Now must.
I must leave now.
You must be careful.
We must hurry.
Notice that should sounds softer.
And must sound stronger.
Exactly.
Here's a question. What should English learners do every day?
My answer? They should listen. They should read. They should speak, even for 5 minutes.
I agree. Small practice every day is powerful.
Now let's learn helping verbs in real conversations.
Because that's where learning becomes useful.
Imagine you're meeting a friend.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm not.
Would you like coffee?
Yes, I would.
Can you meet at 10?
Yes, I can.
Have you finished your project?
Not yet, but I will finish it tonight.
Look at that. 5 helping verbs in one short conversation.
That's why helping verbs matter so much.
They're everywhere.
Now let's learn some useful vocabulary naturally.
First word. Confident.
Confident means feeling sure about yourself.
Example. I am confident when I speak English.
Not perfect.
Confident. That's important.
Second word.
Nervous.
Nervous means worried or anxious. I was nervous before my interview.
Many English learners feel nervous.
And that's okay.
Third word. Improve.
Improve means become better.
My English is improving.
I want to improve my pronunciation.
Notice how we're using these words in real sentences.
That's the best way to remember vocabulary.
Let's have a quick speaking practice.
Say this sentence. I am confident.
Now, I am improving every day.
One more. I can speak English.
Excellent.
Even if your English isn't perfect, keep speaking.
Perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal.
I love that.
Me too.
Now, let's do a fill-in-the-blank exercise.
Ready?
I
Learning English. The answer is am. I am learning English.
next.
She finished her homework. Has. She has finished her homework.
Next.
Dash. You like coffee. Do. Do you like coffee?
Next.
I help you. Can. I can help you.
Next.
We dash travel next year. Will. We will travel next year.
Fantastic.
If you got them right, great.
If not, don't worry. You're learning.
Learning takes time.
Let's do one final conversation.
Hi, Mark. How are you?
I'm great. I've been studying English today.
Really? What have you learned?
I've learned helping verbs.
Can you use them confidently now?
Yes, I can.
Will you keep practicing?
Absolutely. I will practice every day.
Should other learners practice every day too?
Yes, they should.
Wonderful.
Before we finish, let's review. Helping verbs help the main verb.
The most common helping verbs include am, is, are, was, were,
Do, does, did,
have, has, had,
will,
can, could,
should.
must. And remember, don't memorize huge grammar rules. Listen for these words. Notice them, use them, repeat them.
The more you hear helping verbs, the more natural they become.
And the more natural they become, the more confident your English becomes.
Now we'd love to hear from you.
Write one sentence in the comments using a helping verb.
Maybe, I am learning English.
Or, I can speak English.
Or, I will practice every day.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Speaking Zone.
Share this lesson with a friend who wants to improve their English.
And remember something important.
You do not need perfect English to start speaking.
You only need courage.
One sentence today,
One conversation tomorrow.
and one day you'll look back and realize
You can speak English confidently.
we're proud of you.
Keep learning, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing English.